7 minutes Qigong. My name is Clay Bartley. I'm a certified nutritionist and a naturopathic doctor. In this video, I'll talk about a Qigong practice for beginners. I'm acquainted with a 6th generation master acupuncturist, master herbalist, and Qigong master. His name is Dr. Lam Kong. The origins of Qigong go back thousands of years. Qigong is a practice that raises your vital force, Qi or prana. Raising your Qi or life force will help your immune system get the energy it needs to fight off a pathogen, one that could make you sick. The following Qigong instruction was created by Dr. Kong and can be done in as little as 7 minutes. First, place your right hand over your heart and then your left hand over the top of that hand. And then rotate around your heart on your chest 36 times. Now I won't do it 36 times because this is an instructional video. Then you take your hands and you move them to the tops of your thighs, above your knees. You place your hands here and you rotate them clockwise 36 times. And then you move your hands down to the sides of your calves and you rotate your hands 36 times. This Qigong practice can be done at home, or in your car before work, or at an airport, anywhere you have a few minutes to raise your vitality and wellness. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please see the links below. Thank you and be well.